Hello guys, welcome to episode 3 of my journey of Science City Chapter 2. Yeah, I've been driving a lot now. I know that we're very close to them. So, you can tell. This time I won't forget to unmute. The entire time when I actually like play this game, like try to record, I started to get muted. So obviously, yeah, I needed to do that. Well, you batteries ran a lot. I keep doing my best. I keep dying a lot. That's the problem with this too much. I definitely did. You didn't know that. And I feel welcome here. Might be too maybe. So, no way. We've actually survived this. There's someone on me. Oh, let's survive this. No wonder why this guy's so across 2000. He's the one. That has a lot of abilities. He and yes, armor good and effective against zombies. And it has an area balance and all. So that's like so. Oh, sorry, Valkyrie, but you Valkyrie, cool. Now what are these shields are becoming my weakness. I swear, why? Come on, True Valkyrie, show me what you got. Oh my goodness. Yes, nice. Good work. See, True Valkyrie is dying a lot of times now. She gets weaker and weaker. Just like what happened to Mythical Titan.